Good morning students, welcome back to the math channel. Now in this video I explains the Eamcet problems from the topic combinations, and this is the video number 3. So let us start the class. The first problem, the number of ways in which the team of the 11 players can be selected from the 22 players, including the 2 of them and excluding the 4 of them. Okay, so what is the given question? The number of ways in which a team of the 11 players can be selected. We have to select the 11 players team. We have to select the 11 players from the 22 members. 22 players are given. We have to select the only 11 members. What are the conditions given here? Including 2 of them and excluding 4 of them. 2 particular persons are compulsory included. 4 persons are excluded. That is, first I am subtracting the two numbers minus 2 minus 4. So 22 minus 4 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 6. That is, this value becomes only 16. First we remove the 2 included persons and 4 excluded persons from the total number of the players. 22 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to only 16. Okay, so here we want the 11 members, but what is given, already 2 members are included. Already we placed the 2 members directly. Now 2 particular members. Now we want the 11 members. Already 2 members placed means it is enough to select only the 9 members. Okay, since we want the only 11 members, already 2 members are there, that is, it is enough to select the only 9 members, and we can select these 9 members from the remaining 16 members. That can be done in 16C9. So here 2 members included, 4 members excluded means first remove the 6 members. Now the remaining only 16, we have to select only the 9 members from these 16. Since we want the 11 members, already 2 persons are there, so that can be done in 16C9. but 16C9 option is not given, so we convert this option as 16C 16 minus 9, that is 16C7. Which formula we used here? NCR is equals to NCN minus R. From this formula, this will be 16C 16 minus 9, and that is equals to 16C7, which is the second option. Okay, this is the answer. Understand all of you? See the next one. The number of ways that a volleyball 6 can be selected. So 6 can be selected out of the 10 players. So the 2 particular players are included is. So 2 particular players are included. So what is the given data? We have to select the 6 members only. We have to select the 6 players out of the 10 players. 10 players are there. We have to select the 6 players. But what is the particular condition given here? 2 particular persons are included. 2 particular persons are included means we have to select the remaining persons from the remaining 8 members only. Already given here 2 particular persons are selected. That is, already 2 persons are there here. We want the 6 members. Already 2 persons are there. 2 particular players are included there. That is, we want only the remaining 4 members. We have to select the only remaining 4 members from the numbers these 8. That can be done in 8C4. Okay, we want the team of the 6 members. Already 2 persons are there, so it is enough to select only 6 members. Then it becomes 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and we can select the 4 members from the remaining 8 only. Already we placed 2 members there, remaining persons only 8, that is 8C4. And what is the answer of the 8C4? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 4 factorial. 4 factorial is equals to 24. This is 4 times, this is 2 times, so answer is equal to 70, and that is the second option. That's all. This is the answer. Okay, see the next one. In a shelf there are 10 English and 8 Telugu books. The number of ways in which 6 books can be chosen if particular English book is excluded and the particular Telugu book is excluded is. So what is given here? In a shelf there are 10 English and 8 Telugu books. That is, total number of books is equals to 18 here. 10 English books and 8 Telugu books. What is the condition? The number of ways in which 6 books can be selected. We have to select the only 6 books. Okay, we have to select only 6 books. What is the condition given? The particular English book is excluded, particular Telugu book is excluded. That is, we don't take one particular English book, that is subtract that book first, then remaining is equal to only 9. And here also we don't take one particular Telugu book, that is subtract that one also, then we get the only remaining is equal to 7. That is the books left, the remaining books left is equals to 9 English and 7 Telugu. That is 9 plus 7 is equal to 6. Now we have to take the selection from these 16 books only. So clearly the condition is given here. One book is excluded here, and here also one book is excluded. So remove those two books, then remaining is equal to 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. But we have to select the 6 books. Now selecting the 6 books from these 16 is equal to 16C6. This can be done in 16C6 ways. So answer is equal to 16C6, and that is the second option. Okay. See the next problem. The number of permutations of the n things taken are at a time if 3 particular things always occur. So the number of permutations of the n things are at a time. That is, the number of permutations of the n things are at a time. That is, we have to select the r things from the n things, and we have to arrange those things. First, to get the permutations, first we have to select the r things from the n things, and after that taking the permutation. What is the condition given? 3 particular things always occur. That is, given number of things is equal to n. Here we want the r things. So this is the condition. This is the question, but what is the condition given? 3 particular things always occur. That is, 3 particular things always occur means first remove the 3 things, then the remaining things is equal to only n minus 3. Here also 3 particular things is already placed, means we have to select only r minus 3 things. Okay, already directly 3 things are placed here. 3 particular things always occur. That's already directly we placed 3 particular things which are taken from these n things. Now we have to select only r minus 3 things. Since we want the r things, already we placed the 3 things. That is, it is enough to select only the r minus 3 things. And from where we have to select these r minus 3? From the n minus 3 only. Already 3 things are placed. So remaining is equal to only n minus 3. Now in how many ways we can select these things from these things? n minus 3 c r minus 3. n minus 3 c r minus 3. So this is equals to, and after making the selection we can arrange these things in r factorial ways. After making the selection, so finally we get the r things here. Already 3 things are there, and we selected r minus 3. So r minus 3 plus 3 total is equal to r things, and we can arrange these r things in r factorial ways. Okay, now applying the formula here. What is the formula of the NCR? n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is the formula of the NCR. Now what is the answer to this one? n minus 3 factorial by n minus r. n minus 3 minus r plus 3 becomes n minus r factorial into r minus 3 factorial. So this is the formula of this one. And what is the value of the r factorial? I split this value as r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 into r minus 3 factorial. Now cut this number. So this is equals to n minus 3 factorial by n minus r factorial into r into r minus 1 into r minus 2, and that is the first option. Okay, understand all of you this answer. Now see the next one. The number of all the 3 element subsets of the set A1, A2 and so on An which contains the A3 element. So the number of all the 3 element subsets. We want the 3 element subsets. In the given set we have the n elements. Now in how many ways we can select the 3 things from these n things? That can be done in NC3 ways. Actual answer, the number of 3 element subsets means simply it is enough to select only 3 things from the 3 elements from the given elements. That can be done in NC3. These are the 3 element subsets. But what is the condition given here? Which contains the A3 element? That is, already in every 3 element set, already the element A3 is there. Okay, the element A3 is there in every 3 element set which contains the A3 element. So this is not the correct answer. We don't need to select the 3 elements here. Already one element is there, that is it is enough to select only the 2 elements from the elements only n minus 1. Already A3 we used the A3 elements, so remaining elements is equals to only n minus 1. So we have to select only the 2 elements from the n minus 1 elements. That can be done in n minus 1 C2. Okay, 3 element set, but already one particular element is placed here. It is enough to select only the 2 elements. Since already we used one element, means we have to select these 2 from the remaining elements. Remaining is equal to only n minus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Now see the next question. If m parallel lines in a plane are intersected by the n parallel lines, then the number of parallelograms formed is equals to. So here 2 sets of parallel lines are given. M parallel lines in a plane. These are the m parallel lines. So first I am taking here m parallel lines, and these are intersected by the n parallel lines. These are the second set of the parallel lines. These are the n parallel lines. So this is the condition. M parallel lines are intersected by the n parallel lines. Okay, then the number of parallelograms formed is equals to. So to form the parallelogram, what you need, what you want, to one set of the parallel lines and another set of the parallel lines. If you have the one set of this type of parallel lines, another set of this type of parallels, then we can form the parallelogram. That is, so to form the parallelogram, here I want the one set, 2 parallel lines, 2 lines from the first set of parallel lines and 2 lines from the second set of parallel lines. So first set of parallel lines is equal to m. The set of parallel lines is equal to m, and the second set of parallel lines is equal to n. So first I am selecting the 2 parallel lines from the first set, and I am selecting the 2 parallel lines from the second set. That is like these 2 and these 2. Then we get the parallelogram. Okay, like that. So what will be the answer here? MC2 into MC2. Now applying the formula, MC2 m factorial by m minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, and what is this? N factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Therefore the answer is equals to m factorial into n factorial by m minus 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial whole square, and that is the third option. That's all. This is the answer. Okay, I will continue the remaining sums in the next video.